keep your heads up high to our white bellied sea eagle named Silver. So white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle or king of the sea. It has a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. But wait, there's more. Here comes the partner of Silver, Marina. So this helicopter can grow up to 75 to 85 centimeters in length, with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. They can be found in the skies of Australia, Sri Lanka, India, Tasmania, and Southeast Asia. And just to share, the scientific name of this bird is Heliaetus legocaster. Heliaetus means white, legocaster means talent. So round of applause to our white-bellied sea eagle named Silver and Marina. Now, ladies and gentlemen, here at Cebu Safari Adventure Park, we're not just about creating fun and unforgettable experiences. Our top priority is wildlife conservation. We work hard to protect endangered species, provide them with safe habitats, and also to educate guests about the importance of preserving nature. Together, we can make a difference for wildlife and for better future generations. And before we totally end up our show, I would like to introduce you the people behind the success of the show. My partner here on stage, Mr. James, together with Marina. We also have here Mr. Ervin, together with Silver, Miss Rachel, together with Kath, Mr. Charles, together with Magnum. Joining us here on stage is our beautiful Indian peoples and our Scarlet IBs. And yours truly, my name is PJ, and to make this even more memorable, we present to you the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Once again, my name is PJ. Thank you so much, everyone. We hope you enjoy the show and enjoy the rest of